Have you ever stopped to wonder if those eggs you eat almost every day are as healthy as everyone claims? It's a simple question, but the answer might just shift how you think about your meals. Like so many people, I found myself puzzled by endless headlines about what's good or bad for you. Eggs are a superfood. Watch out for eggs. Who hasn't felt lost in that back and forth? Here's the deal. Eggs are such a staple, in breakfasts, family recipes, that we don't always pause to question what they're doing inside our bodies. But what if some choices that seem harmless could be hiding risks to your health? What if you could learn how to keep yourself and your loved ones thriving without giving up the joy of good food? In this video, we're going to unpack the myths and truths about eggs together. This isn't about pointing fingers or making you feel guilty. It's about giving you clear answers to make choices that fit your life. We'll dive into what science says, in a straightforward way, and even better, share practical tips to shake up your meals in a way that's easy, tasty, and even fun. Yep, healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. So, if you're someone who wants to look after your family's health without getting tangled in crazy diet fads, this video's for you. Stick with me until the end, because we're going to show you how small tweaks in your kitchen can lead to big wins for your health and the future of those you care about. Ready to discover the power of your food choices? Let's dive in. When we talked about the power of your choices, I couldn't help but think of someone who might be just like you, or even me not so long ago. I met Sarah, a 35-year-old mom who loved kicking off the day with scrambled eggs for her kids. It was practically a tradition. The smell of breakfast, laughter around the table, those moments that knit a family together. But one day, she stumbled across an article saying eggs might not be as healthy as she thought. Something about cancer risks and heart health. The next day, she saw a blog post claiming eggs were perfect for any diet. Totally confused, she said. How am I supposed to know what's best for my kids? I just want to keep them safe. Sound familiar? If you've ever stared at your plate or your grocery cart, wondering if you're making the right call, you're not alone. We all want the best for the people we love, and for ourselves. But it's tough when advice seems to contradict itself left and right. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. And you know what's super common? Sarah didn't want to become a nutrition expert. She just wanted straight answers, something that worked with her busy life, without losing the flavors that make food so special. That's why we get it. Whether you're a mom like Sarah, a dad whipping up dinner, or someone cooking for yourself, we all want to eat well and feel confident about it. The good news? You don't need a PhD to get it right. What Sarah figured out, and what we're about to share, is that you can understand what eggs are doing in your body and pick paths that safeguard your health, all without making life harder. You just heard about Sarah and her quest to piece together the puzzle of healthy eating, right? Well, now it's time to snap those pieces into place. Let's play a round of myth or fact. To sort out what's true and what's just noise when it comes to eggs. We've got 3 ideas you've probably heard before, and we're going to lay out the truth, backed by science. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Ready to jump in? First up, eggs are the ultimate protein source. Myth or fact? Let's break it down. It's true that eggs pack high-quality protein, but calling them the best? That's a myth. Foods like lentils, whole grains, and even tofu deliver awesome protein, plus a bonus. They're loaded with fiber and nutrients that do wonders for your gut. Eggs can be part of the mix, but they're not the only way to stay strong and healthy. So, this one? Myth. Next, eating eggs doesn't affect your health in the long run. This one feels like it could be true, doesn't it? I mean, 1 egg a day seems harmless. But here's what science tells us. Eggs are high in choline, which when it hits your gut, can turn into TMAO, a compound that studies, like those from Nutrition Facts.org, link to higher risks of cancer and heart issues. No need to panic, okay? It's just about knowing that eating lots of eggs can add up over time. So this is myth again. Last one, everyone can eat eggs without worry. Fact or myth? It depends a bit, but overall, it's a myth. Everyone's gut is unique, but eating too many eggs can throw your gut bacteria out of balance, messing with your microbiome's health. Cutting back a little can make a difference for pretty much anyone. Myth. See how we're clearing things up? It's not about kicking eggs out of your life. It's about understanding their impact and choosing smartly. And here's the exciting part. Now that you know the facts, how about we explore some delicious ways to switch things up that fit right into your busy day? Now that we've busted those myths about eggs, you're probably wondering, okay, what's next? How do I make this work without flipping my routine upside down? We totally get it. That's why we've got tips so simple and scrumptious they'll make you feel like you're running the show with your health. And even the kids will want to join in. Let's turn your kitchen into a hub of smart choices, without sacrificing flavor. Ready to get started? First, a breakfast that's pure comfort. Banana oat pancakes. Just mash a banana, mix in half a cup of oats, a splash of plant-based milk, and you're done in 10 minutes. They're naturally sweet, packed with goodness, and perfect for kicking off the day with a smile. For lunch, how about veggie hummus wraps? Grab a tortilla, spread some hummus, toss in shredded carrots, spinach, and bell peppers. It's quick, easy to pack, and great for work or your kids' school lunches. Flavor and health in every bite. And for dinner, a quinoa veggie bowl. Roast zucchini, sweet potatoes, and broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil, mix with quinoa, and it's ready in 15 minutes. It's so tasty it'll become a family favorite. Need a little nudge? Here's a 1-week plan. Monday, pancakes, Tuesday, wraps, and so on. And a bonus tip. Get the kids to pick out colorful veggies. They'll love being part of the fun. These changes aren't about giving up what you love. They're about building a healthier future. And guess what's coming up? We're wrapping up with a big dose of inspiration to help you kick things off today. We just put together a table full of tasty ideas, didn't we? Pancakes, wraps, bowls. All to prove that taking care of your health can be simple and delicious. Today you took a huge step. You learned that eggs, such a go-to in our daily lives, can come with risks nobody talks about, like that TMAO stuff that affects your heart and even cancer odds. But here's the big win. You saw that you don't have to feel stuck. We busted myths, laid out the facts, and handed you tools to rethink your meals without turning your world upside down. What does that mean? You're in charge. It's not about being perfect or overhauling everything overnight. Every wrap you whip up, every veggie you add to your plate, is a powerful choice for you and the people you care about. And the best part? It's not just about health. It's about enjoying food, bringing the family together, making memories in the kitchen without any guilt. So, how about keeping the momentum going? We've got 3 invitations for you. First, which tip are you trying first? Those pancakes for breakfast? The veggie bowl for dinner? Drop it in the comments, because we're dying to hear. And your idea might spark someone else's. Second, if this video got you thinking about your meals, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Maybe your mom, your best friend, or even your family group chat. Let's spread health together. And finally, if you're hungry for more tips to make your routine lighter and healthier, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. There's so much more on the way. Choose health, choose flavor, and choose to start today. Before we go, here's something from the heart. Every step you take, no matter how small it seems, is a win. You're building a healthier future, not just for you, but for everyone who shares your table. Your kids, your partner, your friends. That's incredible. So don't stop here. Keep exploring, keep trying new things, and come along on this journey with us. Subscribe, share this video, and let's grow together, turning the kitchen into a place of health, joy, and connection. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep choosing what makes you feel good.